Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the new Dolomite token. Ticker symbol is Dolo. Now this token just went live today, April 22nd, for pre-market trading on a very big central exchange. So the full token, the TGE, has not happened yet, the token generation event. So the actual token is not live yet, but the pre-market pre-tokens are live as of right now on a very big central exchange. And we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. So you can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token. So name of the token, Dolomite, just like that old movie. Ticker symbol Dolo, D-O-L-O. Dolomite is a next generation decentralized money market protocol and decentralized exchange that offers broad token support and capital efficiency with its virtual liquidity system. They have a total supply of 1 billion Dolo tokens, and the pre-tokens just went live for trading today, April 22nd, 6:30 a.m. UTC time, which is already passed, so it is available now on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get the pre-tokens and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get these pre-tokens is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, or go into the pre-market trading section and search DOLO, and then simply just buy the pre-tokens. Now it says here, pre-market trading is an over-the-counter service offered by Mexc Global that allows users to buy and sell new tokens before they're officially listed on the exchange. This service lets traders set preferred prices and find matching trades, providing an opportunity to trade at favorable prices before the public launch. By participating in pre-market trading, Mexc users gain a competitive edge before the tokens are officially issued. So Mexc pre-market trading provides investors a way to get ahead of the market before the new tokens are officially issued. Compared to post-launch trading, traders have the chance to acquire trending tokens under more favorable conditions, potentially gaining a market advantage. So you can learn more about that on Mexc. But what is Dolomite? So Dolomite is the next generation decentralized money market protocol and DEX that offers a broad token support and capital efficiency with its virtual liquidity system. Dolomite combines the strengths of a DEX and a lending protocol into the most capital efficient and modular protocol DeFi has seen yet. Dolomite is capable of offering over-collateralized loans, margin trading, spot trading, and other financial instruments. Dolomite makes hedging your portfolio, leveraging it, or unlocking dormant equity a breeze through its broad token support, capital efficiency, and non-rent seeking model for passing through DeFi rewards to users. Over time, Dolomite aims to become a hub for DeFi activity to allow other protocols, yield aggregators, DAOs, market makers, hedge funds, and others to manage their portfolios and run on-chain strategies. Dolomite has an extremely modular architecture that's composed of 2 layers. the core immutable layer, and the module mutable layer. Dolomite has designed and embodied the ethos of DeFi, utilizing an immutable base layer that can only change certain configuration parameters, as well as retaining much needed modularity to adapt to new environments, trends, and paradigms. As DeFi continues to evolve, this modularity allows for a clear upgrade path that preserves the core behavior of Dolomite while being able to introduce new features that don't conflict with previous deployed modules. So it says here, Dolomite can create, integrate, and embed into the core margin protocol to offer unique ways for you to manage your portfolio. All of the different modules are created by sending operations to the immutable layer with any sequence of actions. While some of the actions shown are fairly standard, the most interesting of them shown is the transfer with internal liquidity and the two trade actions. Transferring allows you to move funds between sub-accounts or between different wallets altogether. Trading enables you to use your liquidity to trade with external systems, potentially using flash loans, which are free on Dolomite, or between other sources of virtual liquidity. In the case of trade with internal liquidity, this model opens the door for a lot of interesting features in the future and new ways to tap into Dolomite's lending protocol. Some examples include pair trading, impermanent loss volatility trading, trading with Dolomite using various DEX models, trading with external sources of liquidity through an aggregator or native DEX adapter, borrowing against diverse assets with continuing to earn boost rewards, and listing assets that have restrictions on usage to handle economic and technical risks. So Dolo is the governance token of the Dolomite protocol, designed to align incentives and foster sustainable growth. The Dolo token generation event will launch on Berachain after its mainnet launch. Dolo will initially be issued as an ERC20 token on Berachain, leveraging a lock-and-mint model tied to Ethereum mainnet for enhanced transparency and interoperability. So if you want to learn more about the token mechanics, airdrop distribution, roadmap, guides, integrations, markets, etc., you can go to dolomite.io, which is the webpage. I'm also going to put their Twitter, their X, up in the corner of the screen here. You can go over to the white paper at docs.dolomite.io. They have an application you can launch on their webpage. All sorts of cool stuff on their webpage. Check it out. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.